Hey, what up, guys? This is Aiden with Father's Land Surveying, back with another video here, showing you guys how to use the NGS NCAT tool to calculate your convergence angle. So we have this map here. We use GPS to locate a lot of these mons here. Hit that mon, that mon, that mon, etc., etc. These. This map here is on true north, which is also geodetic north. I'm assuming that because it doesn't have a declination. Um, Usually you'll have a north arrow up here, and uh, and then you'll have a declination angle. We don't have that, so we're assuming it's geodetic or true north. So we did the survey on GPS, so that means we have a projection. It's a grid projection, and so it's grid north. Now, grid north is different than geodetic north, so that means we have to figure out the convergence angle, which is the angle from the grid to true north. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to the internet, and we're gonna go. Let's see, NCAT. It's called NCAT, NGS Tool. Coordinate transformation, coordinate conversion transformation. All right, so we're gonna go state plane. All right, and we're gonna go U.S. survey feet. I'm gonna go like this here. There you go. So let's see, but you can only calculate it at one point. So we're gonna take the northings and eastings of this point here. And so I'm gonna copy that guy there. Don't get the feet symbol. Don't like it. So you got northing. There you go. Easting. Control C. Control V. SPC zone, but you should know where your zone is. We're zone 3. We're in Marin County. Convert it back to zone 3. At A3 2011. That's what we should be working on. Epoch 2011. Everything good there. Hit submit. This confirms where it is on the projection. And that should be where our found rebar is. Looks pretty close there. So now we have convergence in degrees, minutes, and seconds. So not worried about that decimal. So we have a negative convergence. And this is really cool because it'll also give you a scale factor here in case you wanted to go from grid to ground measurements. That's if we're working, several thousands of feet away, uh, you know, maybe even tens of thousands. You're going to need that scale factor. It comes into play, but we're not worried about it. So now we have our convergence angle. You can copy this. Uh, Negative. Yeah, it's negative 26. If that was 26.5, maybe I round it up, but it's not. So we're just gonna go there, paste, and go percent %E. It's a cool little trick. And then there you go. So if it's negative, you're gonna rotate counterclockwise. So let me show you this. This is kind of cool. So let me go to my model space here. Let's just copy this line here. All right, this is on grid. I'm gonna move it out here so you can see it. And I'm gonna annotate this here, bearing a distance. All right, so we got south 24, 46, 14. That's my grid. So let me go to here. And so I got 24, 04, 52. So let's just remember that. Let's check our convergence. So if I'm going to rotate counterclockwise to obtain true north, so let me take this bearing. I'll just label it here. So let me go southwest. I have a calculator that'll do it. So counterclockwise would be going this way. So southwest, we're going to add it. We're basically going to add it to southwest because counterclockwise, southwest going this way, bearings go this way. So if we add it, we're going the opposite way, which is counterclockwise. So we're going to add, so we're going to type, you guys can't see this, but I have a program calculator, 24, 46, 14. I'm going to add 0.01 degree, no, sorry, so 1.1326, 25, 59, 40, 29, no, that's wrong, 25, 59, 40. Looks like we have to go the other way. See here, 2404. Let's subtract it, which is going to be, it's not going to be as close as we thought. So let's go 1.1326, 2332. So yeah, so maybe, maybe he did use, this was way back. So something, we got to figure out what's going on there. But normally you should be able to check. It could be that he was so close that the true in the grid here is some type of issue here, but we'll figure that out. But that's how you get your convergence angle using the NGS NCAT tool and to figure out your convergence angle. All right, thanks.